This is number 5 in your chapter exercise. If you look at this problem, it says you have given the following input 12.8 space bill and 15, and you declared the double with x is equal to 3.5. So in my memory, in my chart, I'm just going to be 3.5 in this thing. In this memory of this right here, that's what's inside the memory. Y is actually 18, and the name is initialized to Lisa as a string. And then what if you did C in X? What's X again? X is a double. So this 12 point, I'm going to do, this is line 5A. So what actually takes place in X here is the 12.8 replaces the X that's being read in. So this right here, this 3.5 no longer becomes 3.5. It gets, I'm going to strike this out. This becomes what? 12.8. Okay? And it reads in the next one is the name with the same. It stores in the name, which is the name's what? Now becomes Bill in this. So Lisa now becomes Bill. Alright? And then you read in the next one is Y is what? Is 18 is now replaced with 15. So in the memory, this 18 now is replaced with 15. And when you output this thing, this is what you output. You're going to output Y, X first, right? So it's going to output 12.8 with a space in this thing, and then 15 with another space, and then Bill's the name. Okay? So if you want to do this, that's fine. I mean, 5B continue the same things. What it's doing with it, again, it's reading in the Y, the X, and the name, and then it outputs it with it. But take a look at C. Well, C. I want to talk to you about number 5C. Just a clarification on what's going on here. You read in C in X, Y, and name. X is a double, so it's going to read in 12.8 in here, right? It's actually going to try and read in Y in this thing. So you look at Y. This B is a string. All right, it's trying to read the B into a Y. The Y is an int. All right, so that's going to actually, which is an int variable with it. So what actually happened is that the X becomes 12.Y, and because the original memory, remember now, this is the memory, original memory is 18. So that doesn't change with it, is my point. So that comes back as 18 with it. And the name Lisa was changed, is original name with it, so it becomes Lisa with it. So the two, the value of Y and name are unchanged. They don't change with it. Okay, so I want to clarify that with you. You know, that you got to be careful with that. Okay.